Welcome to Tauranga City Library's Te Waka Waihanga Makerspace program. During the term, we learned a lot about seeds and how they travel. We also learned about the 3 elements that a seed requires to grow. Then we became gardeners ourselves. We learned about the life cycle of a plant and the importance of planting bee-friendly flowers. Then we became computer programmers and we got to code a microbit using an iPad. If we coded our program right, our microbit was able to read how much moisture was in our plant. From there, we could determine whether or not we needed to water our plant. We became real scientists and ran a range of experiments using our microbit. Then, like any good scientist, we could record our findings and draw diagrams. Once we'd finished experimenting with our microbit, we became engineers and we got to build our very own plant stand. Our plant stand even watered our plants automatically. We had great fun bringing Te Waka Waihanga into your school, and we're looking forward to seeing you again soon.